Peter was the most dreadful friend. He also rushed all over the garden, for he had forgotten the way back to the gate. He lost one of his shoes among the cabbages and the other one among the potatoes.
But Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. First he ate lettuce, some French beans.
Peter Rabbit's father was made into a pie. Doesn't that sound good? I really should be reading the book, but
round the end of a cucumber frame, should he meet but Mr. McGregor?
after losing them, he ran on 4 legs and went faster. So I think he might have gotten away altogether if had not unfortunately run into a gooseberry net.
Hi, I'm Peter, and we are going to be reading The Tale of Peter Rabbit by Beatrix Potter. Illustrations by David McPhail. Alrighty. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits, and their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail, and Peter. And they lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath a very big fir tree.